Good morning. Today is World Diabetes Day, which is 14th November, and we all know India is the diabetes capital of the world. And in India, diabetes happens at least a decade earlier than in Western countries. The problem is in next 10 years, this is going to double. So it's a huge challenge. Today we are, after 1 in 7 diabetics in the world is Indian, but in future 1 in 4 will be Indian. So the problem is going on increasing. There are more than 100 types of diabetes, and type 2 diabetes is the commonest one. So we are more focused on type 2 diabetes. So type 2 diabetes is strongly linked to obesity, and the most important test that we look for in our patients is a simple waist. The important thing that I want to talk is to prevent diabetes. The best thing to do is to prevent obesity, and if you are able to prevent central obesity, you will automatically prevent type 2 diabetes. So this message is for all, not just diabetics, but for all. Every one of us, all Indians, must prevent central obesity to prevent diabetes. So that's good lifestyle, a balanced diet, good exercise, regular exercise is very important, and maintaining ideal body weight is very crucial to prevent diabetes. Those who have diabetes, if they are able to lose weight, their requirement of medications will be less. So this is very important. Now, managing diabetes many times is very difficult because diabetes is very silent. I always say diabetes is dangerous because it is silent. Because it is silent, patients don't take basic care of checking. They don't check for many months, many years. They are careless with diet. They will have some sweet, and even if the sugar goes about 300, patient has no symptom. So patient feels everything is fine. So that's the reason people tend to ignore. So education about these things is very important to the patient. So in diabetes management, counseling is very important. Proper understanding is very important so that patients in the long term prevent complications. The reason why we treat diabetes is to prevent complications after, say, a decade or 2 decades. Prevention of complications is the most important part of diabetes management. And what helps prevent diabetes complications is good control of glucose and its associations like blood pressure and cholesterol. If you are able to control these 3, most of the diabetes complications can be prevented. A good way to manage diabetes is a team approach, where we have in Inamdar Hospital, we have a very good team approach where a consultant along with good dietitian, physiotherapist for exercise, and a diabetes educator are there to help the patients for a comprehensive diabetes management. So the important things in management will be lifestyle, diet, exercise, monitoring, and medications. If these 3-4 pillars are looked at properly, diabetes complications can be prevented. The final message for all will be enjoy life with diabetes. Treating diabetes is very easy, provided you follow a balanced lifestyle and you meet the treating doctor.